Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I was not feeling very well this morning, which is why I didn't make my usual videos. But today I do want to talk about Tesla stock. I am holding Tesla stock at $240. I bought the dip around that time because I thought, oh, the stock is going to go higher. This is just a dip. Well, it kept on dipping, right? But it is Tesla. Ultimately, it's still Tesla. This thing is, when it dumps, it'll fall. And then when it skyrockets, it can go. Like that's just how it is with this stock. For those of you who follow it's very, very volatile over the long term. You can see here, if you zoom out on the chart, let's switch to the monthly. If you zoom out on the chart, over the long term, it still continues to go higher despite the tumbles along the way. So I'm waiting. I'm sitting back and I'm being patient here. Tesla, either way, if it is going to follow through, if Elon Musk is going to follow through on the whole AI side of things, not, okay, I get it. A lot of people associate Tesla with being a car maker, but if you really think about it, if they follow through on the AI, the robots, the humanoid robots, all that big talk he's been doing, if he follows through on that, we're gonna see the share price of Tesla appreciate beyond the $300 mark. Eventually, we'll see it. Look at this. It was almost at 400. It did hit 400 way back here before coming back down. So we know that it can more than double the current price. It is possible. Whether people have the patience or not, that's a whole nother thing. But we are getting a technical breakout here on the monthly. You can see this falling wedge. Usually towards the end of the wedge, we see a breakout, and that's exactly what we got here. We got the breakout. We have resistance at $200. That's going to be the big psychological level. If we break 200, let's switch over to the lower time frames. If we break above 200, we could see as far as 206. And then let's switch to the daily. 206 if we break 200, and then possibly 210 from there. So those are the levels to watch out for. So, but 200 is going to be that big, big psychological level. So I'm going to be watching this one just to see if it breaks out yet again and goes higher. It's starting to trend to the upside. It bottomed out barely at 140. If it had to bounce there, ooh. But people love this stock under 150 apparently because that's the last time it got down here and it bounced. So again, when this thing starts running, it can go to 400. So I'm still holding at 240. I'm good. I might add some more down here if we see that breakout above 200 because that's going to be bullish. Whether today was just a one-time big green candle going into resistance or not, or the start of a bigger move overall, we'll see what happens with that. I would say look for calls above $200. If we get that $200 break, calls above $200 is going to be money. Let's look at the lower time frames before I go here. Yeah, we have a lot of support down here. Yeah, we have a lot of support in the 180s. And then 173, but I don't think we'll retrace that much. Yeah, we got a big breakout here, so yeah. Right now on the 1 hour time frame, looks like 197 is where we got pushed down and it pulled back there. So again, I would say wait for the $200 psychological breakout. That's going to be the play if you're looking to play calls. Although I heard there's a lot of people that bought puts, so that's just how it is. It's you're going to play one side or the other. Tomorrow is going to dictate whether we're going to dip and people buy the dip and it shoots back up above 200, or if we're going to see us get rejected again and then we're just going to start trending back down. We'll see. We'll see, but overall, over the long term, it's hard to it's hard to deny that over the long term it continues to go higher. Again, yes, it has its tumbles. It has its sideways action where it kind of just goes through a period of no appreciation in share price, but eventually it has that huge run up. Appreciation in share price here, huge run up, consolidates here, and then another huge run up. That's been the pattern. So that's why I'm saying, like, as a long term hold, do not be afraid to accumulate under 200, Because when it goes to 400, you're going to be like, whoa, I just doubled my money and all I had to do was buy it when no one wanted it, when it was cheap. Funny how that works. Anyways, that is it for the video, guys. I am a Tesla bull. I do like AI stocks. I'm keeping an eye on the news for Tesla if Elon Musk does follow through more than anything on the robotic side with the humanoid robots that are going to do everything for us, wash our dishes, etc., etc. All right, enough talk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.